Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing or opening the Binance Wallet extension and connecting it to your browser profile. Enter or create a secure seed phrase and write it down physically. This prevents loss if your device fails. Once done, link your wallet to the Binance account or D-app and confirm permissions. This grants necessary access without exposing keys. Finally, transfer a small test amount. This verifies addresses and fees, so you avoid costly mistakes on first large transfers. Now you'll create and confirm transactions. Paste the recipient address and verify the checksum characters. One wrong letter ruins the transfer. Choose token, enter amount, then review network BEP20 vs ERC20 because fees and compatibilities differ. Select gas price based on congestion to balance speed and cost. You authorize with your private key or hardware wallet. Make sure two-factor authentication is active. After confirmation, monitor the TX hash on the Chain Explorer to ensure finality and detect issues. Complete by verifying the updated balance and saving the transaction receipt for records. This confirms successful settlement. If a transaction remains pending, you can speed it up or replace it by resubmitting with a higher gas price. This forces miners to prioritize your TX. Make sure to export logs and copy the TX hash if funds disappear. Contact Binance support with those details and don't reuse compromised seeds. One key troubleshooting tip: never share your seed phrase when seeking help.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.